guys, today we're going to dye an uneven gray base into blonde using the level 12 series. I've been working with this client for a long time, and the main formula has already been perfected, but over time there's more and more gray hair. That's why we make adjustments during the coloring process. The gray is concentrated around the face and it's uneven. I start applying from the back of the head, as it is more difficult to lighten. 12, 2 plus 12, 19 plus 12%. Next, I move on to the parietal and temporal. First of all, I apply it to the roots that have more natural hair. This is clear from the previous lightening, it is darker. I only dye the roots. The total maximum processing time is 50 minutes. After 25 minutes, I add the remaining dye in a thin layer over the previously lightened areas to clean up, even out the lightening base, and tone where needed. For the gray bangs, I add 12.1 plus a 12% developer to the remaining mixture and apply it for the final 15 minutes. That will be enough. As a direct and significant result, you will achieve the most incredibly even lightening possible with the 12 series on an uneven, perhaps even challenging gray base.